tree just fell over.
Test drive attempt number 1. This is the first time we're going to see if it'll back out and drive around the property. What do you think?
I think we're fine.
I don't know. I've never put it in gear, and don't stand behind it because I don't know if it's got brakes. I just don't worry. I got Sammy with me. Let me squeeze.
Well,
Is that a success?
I think it was, other than hitting the tree, but it's okay.
We did. We hit the tree. First drive, we wrecked.
Quick.
Did you get that on camera?
That's the first thing I'm putting in the video.
Hey, that's why you always do it on the first take and don't rehearse, huh?
Yeah, we don't rehearse anything. This is real life.
It's a good thing it was a shit. It was a good thing it's at a tree instead of that big one.
Yeah, yeah. The tree just fell over.
Could have been worse. Could have went.
What's your opinion? So brakes and a little more tranny fluid?
Brakes are I was pumping them air, so I had enough to come down the hill. And then I need to. So to clear these wheels, it's gonna have to cruise it high.
Yeah.
And then, so we got to find a medium of cruise height and get it aligned because it's fighting itself.
I thought you was you're come off the ground over there on that bump in the driveway. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Your back tire come up. Got that too.
I mean, like, I'm saying this in the nicest way possible. I never felt so Spanish in my life as right there. Like, I was like,
you loved
I've been watching that Bella's Customs, and I felt just like him. Like, I wanted to do my top button, grease my hair back.
Yeah.
But it's
maiden voyage accomplished.
I drove it.
Yeah.
I drove it.
Yeah.
So that's all that matters.
That's right. It's been driven on its own power.
I bought it for $1,700 over 4 years ago, and today, February 21st, I drove it.
Amazing.
Yeah.
It's got to feel good.
Well, I mean, I don't know. It looks like a piece of junk, you know, but it's hot rod underneath.
It's definitely not a piece of junk. I love it.
There's things I could change, but hey, we're just getting it done. We're just getting it dialed in. I just want to build a sleeper. I want to roll up next to somebody and drive away from it.
Well, there it is. All right, you guys saw it. Caught it on the first try. First drive.
Wrecked it into a tree.
Unscripted, as you can see.
I was freaking out.
Wow.
That's the wrong.
Somebody's
mound.
gonna get in trouble.
God dang, Bruce Rambo. Look, Sammy, that was Sammy. Well, I don't know what else to say.
I don't either. We just want to share that with you guys, so we'll catch you on the next.
The next trip will be put it on the trailer, go to the title office, get it inspected so I can get a title. Keep working on it. Keep just never ending. I'll figure out all the things and just keep going along at it.
Yep. Here comes the captain.
Yep.
We'll see you guys later.
See you. All right. We don't get this very often. We got all the kids together. They're all boys. They're all brothers. But, yeah. It's February 21st. We got some nice weather out. So I've been getting stuff done outside. Took the 68 for the first lap around the campground. Ran into a tree. It's all right. But, yeah, there's the lineup. Well, we got more. 40 Chevy, 35 Ford, 40 Chevy in there. We got projects. We got drivers. But, yeah. Figured I'd break out the camera because this don't happen very often. All of them are together. 69 C50, 84 K30, 68 GMC C20, 85 K20 converted, whatever you want to call it. It's got 1-ton axles in it and whatever. Don't have a 1-ton frame, but that's just for you bugger eaters out there. But yeah, that's my truck collection. We're working on it every day. I want a different truck for every day of the week to drive. We're getting there. I got another C50. But yep, I just wanted to show off my little collection of home built stuff. The only one I didn't build was the Army truck, and I just drive it every day. The government did enough, GM and the government did a good enough job with that. I don't have to do nothing to it. So we're just enjoying a little Wednesday night action, and I'm just a big kid. I'm still playing with my Hot Wheels. So we'll get off here. Jennifer's going to whip us up another killer video, and we'll see you Thursday, hopefully. Bye.
Those are all the tools that came with them.
Yeah, I got a bunch of them. I've never seen them in the box.
Yeah, I seen this the box ad.
All right. Where'd we just leave?
POWERAMA, baby.
We just went for a visit. We didn't put anything in, but our friends Adam and Chelsea had their build here, and Chad Bowling had his build here. So we checked it out with you guys, and now we're heading out in a blizzard to go get something to eat.
I'm in a hurry because I'm starving. There's a really good, I don't know where we're going. You got me up in the grass. I was doing all that work to stay on the grass. You ran me in the grass.
I can't help it. You can't see nothing. The snow came out of nowhere, you guys.
I got my 4-wheel drive boots on.
We were just spectators tonight. It was pretty fun.
Yeah.
I liked it.
Something to do.
See you guys later.